Today in the southeast. For the southeast, a summertime Bermuda high center just off the Carolinas is driving a persistent southeasterly surface flow across Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas, reinforced aloft by a West Atlantic ridge. This pattern promotes daily sea breeze collisions along the Gulf and Atlantic coasts, triggering scattered afternoon thunderstorms, particularly inland and west of I-95 from Jacksonville down through Tampa, Orlando, and West Florida. In South Florida, Miami, Melbourne, Tampa, Key West, southeasterly flow limits Gulf sea breeze penetration, so diurnal thunderstorm coverage remains isolated to scattered. PUWatt values hover between 1.2 to 1.5 inches with modest lapse rates. However, today, the best chance for stronger storms lies interior southwest Florida, where heating aligns with weak boundaries to locally steepen lapse rates and cape potentials. Any storm may bring gusty outflow, turbulence, and local MVFR reductions. Key West and coastal airports likely to remain VFR, aside from brief convective outflows. Farther north in northeast Florida and southeast Georgia, Jacksonville area, strong low-level south-southwesterly flow and rich moisture, Puat till circa Totoma, produce diurnal storms focused inland before drifting east-northeast along the Atlantic sea breeze. These storms can be pulsing in nature, with gusty winds and heavy rain briefly lowering ceilings to MVFR-IFR during peak heating. Tampa Bay sees drier mid to upper level air filtering in from the Caribbean, which is capping convection each afternoon. Showers and storms should be less numerous, but outflow-driven boundaries may sustain isolated activity late into the evening. Across the Carolinas and Georgia-Atlanta region, daily convective trends mirror Florida, but with added impact from subtle upper-level disturbances rotating around the ridge axis. These may act as triggers over North Carolina's interior, leading to occasional stronger storms late afternoon. Expect brief turbulence and rapid vis ceiling changes to MVFR under storms. In summary of the southeast, pilots flying should anticipate routine afternoon thunderstorms inland with gusty outflow winds, heavy rain reducing visibility and ceilings, and low-level turbulence within and near convective zones. Coastal operations will mostly remain VFR, but boundary interactions can push convection into coastal TAF sites between 17-22Z. Overnight periods remain mostly dry with VFR conditions and light southeasterlies returning by late night.